The Karnataka High Court late on Tuesday upheld an order of the Dharwad Municipal Commissioner allowing the Ganesh Chaturthi festival to be held at the Hubballi Eidgah Maidan. Ganesh idol was installed at the Hubballi Dharwad Eidgah ground on Wednesday morning as the celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi began in full swing. The Ganesh idol was installed and many gathered for the puja and the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. Yesterday, members of Hindutva outfits celebrated the Karnataka High Court's decision permitting the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi at the Eidgah Maidan in Hubballi. K. Govardhan Rao, convener, Rani Chennamma Maidan Gajanan Utsav Mahamandal, had argued that the Rani Chennamma Maidan belongs to the municipal corporation and hence a request was made on behalf of the Samiti Mahamandal that Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations be allowed there. Puja will be conducted in the traditional way and we are going to celebrate this festival for 3 days as per the direction of the municipal corporation. We are going to follow all the instructions that have been given, he said. He added that they would install the deity's idol in half an hour. Justice Ashok S. Kinagi held that the property belonged to the Dharwad municipality and Anjuman-e-Islam was only a leaseholder for a period of 999 years at a fee of ₹1 per year. Anjuman-e-Islam had claimed that the property in question was protected under the Places of Worship Act 1991, which says no religious place of worship can be converted. The High Court said in the case of the property in question, it was not a religious place of worship and was allowed for prayers only during Bakrid and Ramzan. During other times, it was used for purposes like a marketplace and a parking lot. Situation in Dharwad is totally peaceful with elaborate arrangements made regarding the Ganesh festival. We have deployed one RAF company along with other security personnel. In an order on Tuesday, the Supreme Court had said no to Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations at the Eidgah grounds in Bangalore, said Labhuram, CP, Hubballi, Dharwad. The controversy surrounding the Eidgah Maidan peaked in 1992 when the BJP and the newly formed organization called the Rashtra Dhwaja Gaurav Samrakshan Samiti decided to host the national flag at the Eidgah Maidan on 15th August. However, no Hindu festivals have been celebrated in the Eidgah Maidan till today and Ganesh Chaturthi is the first of its kind to be celebrated inside the controversial ground.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.